Mahadev, if there is one instruction from the scriptures, and by scriptures I mean all of the scriptures related to Rudraksh, there are, I think, over 1,000 shlokas about Rudraksh and spread over, dozens of scriptures, Puranas, Tantra Shastras, Agam Shastras. Uh, so far, I haven't been able to find even the word Rudraksh in the Rigved Samhita, the Samaved Samhita, and the Krishna Yajurved and Shukla Yajurved Samhitas. So, by scriptures, I mean wherever Rudraksh is found mention in. One instruction that has to be followed strictly is from Srimad Devi Bhagavatam. वक्त्रम वक्त्रेण संयुज्य पुच्छम पुच्छेम योजयेत मेरु मूर्ध्व मुखम कुर्यात दूर्ध्वम नागपाशकम. It says the beading of Rudraksh has to be done in a certain manner. The head of a Rudraksh bead should be connected to the head of the next Rudraksh bead, and the tail of a Rudraksh bead has to be connected with the tail of the next Rudraksh bead. The head of the Rudraksh bead can also be called the north pole of the Rudraksh bead, and the tail of the Rudraksh bead can be called the south pole of the Rudraksh bead. After all, Rudraksh is basically an electromagnet. So, this is a 5-mukhi Rudraksh bead here, and this is the north pole. This is the side from where the Rudraksh fruit is connected to the stem of the tree. And this is the south pole of the Rudraksh bead. So when beading any mala for wearing or for japa, whether it is Nepali Rudraksh or Indonesian Rudraksh, the head, the north pole, should be connected to the north pole of the next bead, and the tail has to be connected to the tail of the next bead. This is actually an inviolable injunction. It has to be followed strictly. Unfortunately, I reckon 90-95% or even more of the Rudraksh Kantha malas and Japa malas being sold in the market and getting made by dealers of Rudraksh, whether in India or in Nepal, they do not follow this. It takes it takes maybe double the time to make mala while following this rule. So most of them just avoid it because Rudraksh is just, sold for profit. Most of the dealers of Rudraksh, they don't care about actually the deeper impact of a Rudraksh mala or Kantha mala, Japa mala, whatever that is being sold, and how it's going to affect the person who is wearing it and using that mala for japa, etc. In my view, I mean, even if somebody wants to, put a mala around a shivling or any, idol of any god or goddess, the mala should be made following this rule strictly. Mm, 90 more than 90% of users of Rudraksh malas and Japa malas, Kantha malas, or even single beads, they are Hindu men, and uh, I think Hindus do not even realize what they are getting into when they are purchasing a Rudraksh mala for wearing or for japa. I have observed directly how if this rule is not followed, how it negatively affects the wearer, and mm, but I don't know, not much can be done about it. I have spoken about this to many Rudraksh dealers, and they just find this too troublesome to get into all this, especially japa malas, because Indonesian Rudraksh malas, they come by maybe million malas per year, and who is going to spend so much time in doing the correct beading? But uh, performing japa on a mala that has not been beaded as per the instructions laid down in the scriptures will not bear fruit. You can keep on chanting whatever mantra you want to, but it's not going to give you good results. It is going to give you bad results. When wearing a single bead of Rudraksh, the North Pole has to be facing up. A lot of people wear it sideways when wearing a single bead of Rudraksh. That is okay. I mm, I think that's fine when you are wearing a single bead. But even if you are wearing a when you are wearing this one plus maybe two more beads here, like a three bead Rudraksh combination mala, the Sumeru bead has to be facing north pole upwards, and the two other beads has to be facing north pole downwards. So it forms a kind of Triveni like junction here, and it does affect the proper flow of energy from the Rudraksh beads, and it makes the energy kind of come together and combine. So please be Mindful of this, rule for wearing Rudraksh. And there is a lot of I've written about this many times in my Facebook group page, Rudraksh Expert, the Eye of Rudra. So, anybody who wants to know more about this can come and join my group, and he or she will find many, many posts about this. Har Har Mahadev.